Welcome to the continuation of the top 10 best dress lists for males. Here we have Jakeem coming in the number 5 position.
Jewelry, Legion, that's how we roll. Straight jeans and fitted, in a white t-shirt we did it. We rock them shades to the limit. Uptown, uptown. Same so we beat up on more. My Gucci melody are the realest. My goes for chain are the purest. With G-Shock watch.
How do you feel?
Surprising, because really never know say certain people look up to us as, you know, best dresser or nothing like that. We just go to school every day and we just put on certain clothes.
No, what makes your fashion style so unique?
Well, if you look for me right now, just simple, you know?
Simple. Like me, simple.
Yeah, we don't go over the top and, you know, so everything in the jacket and, you know, we just go simple.
See that your shoes is matching your hat. I mean, how important is color coordination? You know, I like that color. It's my favorite color.
Yeah,
is that turquoise?
Turquoise, bluish, I don't even know anything about it.
So tell me, how important is color coordination?
Very, very important, because every shoes I buy, I'm just buy a hat for my shoes.
Oh, really? So you love hats?
Yeah, man, love hat. Love
okay.
hat.
So your signature look is basically the hat?
Hat and
okay.
shoes. So
right.
Because if you don't match, then you're not going to look fresh.
Yeah, it only makes sense, right, guys?
You're not going to make the top 10.
You're not going to make the top 10. Yeah, great. So tell me a little bit about your favorite brand.
Vans. Snapbacks.
Okay, those are brands?
Yeah, man.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man.
Just checking. You know, you're not really into jewelry? Just keep it simple.
Yeah, one little chain or
and your earring. And
yeah, and now I'm going to have one G-Shock watch, but you know, because we see a school work, I'm not really...
You don't really want to, you know?
Yeah.
Attract a tea for them.
Yeah, man.
Get what you're saying, right?
Yeah.
Give me the fashion don'ts.
Big ugly jeans, them man. Same thing, man. Big ugly clothes, man. That stuff for a long time.
So you must wear your size, right?
Yeah, man, wear your size now, man.
Tell me a little bit about your fashion routine.
Because we already have in mind
where you go wear.
Because we don't buy the clothes. We buy the as I say, we buy the shoes for with the hat. Say I go wear the shoes today. No, say I go wear the hat there. And also the shirt, the match with the hat.
So there you have it, guys. Hi, Sheldon. How are you today?
I'm good.
You're good? Okay, well guess what? I have some good news for you today. You have made on the UE Top Best Dress list.
I got the magic in me. Every time I touch that track, it turns into gold.
So I want to know, what inspired your fashion style?
I like preppy wear, so I guess I'm a huge fan of Ralph Lauren. So I like the preppy / Ivy League look, so I try to be like that every day.
So who would you describe as your best fashion icon?
To be honest with you, I don't really have an icon per se that I really follow. As I said, I like the Ivy League preppy look. I like boat shoes and Dockers pants, and nobody really, I don't see anybody in the industry that rocks that look. So I kind of trying to be innovative. I'm trying to bring the Ivy League look to you.
For some tips, I mean at least one or so.
Alright, one, you must always be properly groomed.
Okay.
Like try at least to get a haircut at least 2 times a week. At least 2 times a week. 2, or perhaps that was number 2. Number 1 is coordinate. Like you can't just wear arbitrary colors.
Yeah, what's your favorite brand?
Polo by Ralph Lauren all day, every day.
Okay. What you like about, you know, females, how they dress and they attire themselves?
A girl who she outshines her clothes. It's like the clothes don't make the girl makes the clothes.
Oh, like me, right? Yeah. And tell me what you dislike in female fashion.
Don't show all the goods on the first day, so we're like, alright, we see what she have to offer, we don't want to see nothing more.
Okay. So there you have it, guys. Stay tuned for number 3. Yay! Hey guys, welcome back. Here we have Chris with us, and he's in the number 3 position.
And them ice cream, straight jeans and fitted and white tees. She said, teach me your skin feel nicely. She said, I'm insecure, afraid of me. If I listen, can't tell her me hate on it. But she tell me she
Inspire your fashion style.
Well, basically the fitted and the jeans straight. You know, so can't tell I'm artist of mine. I look up to him as well.
Okay, so he's definitely your fashion icon, huh?
Yeah, one.
Tell me a little bit about your morning routine. I mean, do you just get up and just put on something and it just pop, or you just have
still.
a set?
I go on the night before and think about what I'm going and go in my closet.
Okay,
Yeah, man,
okay.
I make sure I say much of that.
So give us a few good tips, you know.
Enough for overdress I do it, enough for wear fitted and shades. You just accessorize with like a little chain or something, an earring and a watch.
The way you call this now, the rosary
Jesus
thing.
Christ, no.
And I see that you're rocking a very interesting little bag. Tell me about it now, your Puma bag now.
Yeah, man.
So why is it so small?
Man, I don't like big bag. I like things so
Okay, so
big.
there's just a swagger it
Yeah, man,
over.
small and tight.
Okay, I see. I see you're wearing a ring, you have 2 chains, a bracelet, a watch. Always accessory important in, you know, making an outfit pop.
Yeah, because you know you can't have on a shirt, it just a look plain. The watch bring it off got white and a black card.
You see girls every day, right?
Yeah.
And I know you're interested in girls, right?
So,
Hot girls,
of
right?
course, like,
Now tell me some of the things you like about fashionable girls.
Like the girl and leggings.
Leggings, okay.
Do it
So
hot.
do you think there's a weight limit for leggings? Because I think there's a weight limit.
I don't want to discuss this. And about that jeggings thing there, sometimes see some girl have on some bright panty and then
Oh yeah.
Don't
So you
look good.
definitely want to wear a dark underwear. Definitely. So there you have it, guys. Chris coming in the top 3 position. Hey guys, here we have Fresh Kid coming in the number 2 position.
Excuse my charisma, vodka with a spritzer, swagger down pat, call my shit Patricia, young money militia, and I am the commissioner. You don't want Star Weezy cause the F is for finisher, so misunderstood.
You know, what inspired, you know, your unique fashion style?
I like neat dressing, neat, isn't it? European style dressing pretty much.
So, you know, tell me who's your favorite fashion icon?
I would say Cristiano Ronaldo.
Why? I mean, he's a footballer. Tell me a little bit
Full
about
of style, isn't it? Flair and him clothes are neat.
Tell me a little bit about your hairstyle. It's looking rather
Well,
unique.
Hey man, my hairstyle still, isn't it? My barber come Rallington town, him come from, isn't it? He name Shabba. Isn't it? Tina's barber shop, my barber that, is it?
Okay.
Them one, them here ever shut
How
up.
important is accessory?
Me, it's like, them thing here now, there's some silly band and them thing there. Me just a bit bracelet. I'm like bracelet and them thing there. But
Okay.
like, these now are just something like a new trend. If you notice, most people now seen these. For me, just make it kind of unique, black and yellow.
Give the viewers, you know, some fashion tips.
Yeah, don't left out of your house and then you know feel comfortable in the way you in.
So-
And just be yourself, no matter hype. You see it? No matter hype, make people
hype.
hype you. You see me? Now make people hype
Or
you.
like how Dr. Berry IP and put in a second
Yeah,
position,
man, I
right?
tell you, man.
You see females every day, right? Give me a fashion you like.
Come on, go party and them thing there. The more time you see the girl them, you see them in them yard clothes. Yeah,
So
yeah.
there you have it.
Friends, Kentish, alias Fresh Kid.
Yeah, and he's in the number 2 position. So we're now down to the wire, and here we're gonna reveal who came in the number 1 position. He's a dancer. He's a past student from the St. George's College, and now he's a student here on the UA campus. Can you all guess who he is, guys? I'm so excited. Well, he's Nicholas D'Souza coming in the number 1 position.
The girl them a star boy, but me not star in a blue movie. Them a star boy, and on my part if a boy girl chose me, show a star boy. Some boy girl use them, no girl can't use me. Them a star boy, let me say them a star boy. Listen, in my crew, every man a star. Over my crew, me say
How does
every
it
girl a
feel
war.
to be in the number 1 position?
Feels good. I'm just as surprised as anybody else or all the other guys on U campus who actually got dressed every day to win this sport, because I didn't know.
I know that you're a dancer, and most dancers are very fashionable. Would you say that your dancing experience has influenced your fashion style?
I would say that, yeah, in a sense, but you can't relate dancing with fashion to a certain extent with me, because some fashion entailing dancing I don't pick up. But same goes to my crew, Fresh Connect, Brandon, Yava, Hensmar, Jamar, Dada. Nobody big up on the side.
So tell me a little bit about your fashion icon.
I say, big up Orion by Pulse, you know. And as an artist, I look up to like Jim Jones.
Okay.
You have a cool sense of simple but you know, him wear the clothes don't wear him, you know, so don't OD.
Tell me a little bit about your routine in the morning. How do you get this sogerific fashionable style?
Find something will match, you know. So if they don't have, like for instance, I have one this Ed Hardy t-shirt, has red patterns. I find a red accessory, she's a G-Sock one,
Yeah.
red shoes.
And a gold chain.
Yeah, well, I didn't really, well, yeah, the chain, I guess, and you know, a shade of jeans that goes with it. You don't want to wear sky blue jeans, a dark blue top.
But give me a fashion tip that you give to the females.
Well, basically,
Or a do or don't as it pertains to fashion.
over accessorizing like some big jewelries, and you know, if the school there comes same way, you see me?
Yeah.
Keep it simple. Don't let people
Appropriate.
think, say, oh, you actually try look at her.
Share some tips to our viewers, especially for the males out there who are trying to get that fashionable look, that sogerific look.
Yo, just make sure you're clean, you know? Yeah, you see me? Don't try cover the bed with a cologne and you. As him say, yo, keep it simple, don't want OD. Like, don't make people know say I try a thing, cause that reach some of the money will actually I try a thing, but it want a spot testing. Not try boast it, but yeah, just relax, man, you know? Come natural, come fresh, come clean.
You know, fashion style that you like, you admire in women.
Boy, I love when them have on them tight jeans, you know? What them call it? Squeeze my ankle. We don't even know what them call it still, but
I think I have it on.
yeah, you know? Something like that, you know? Show up your curves, man, you see me? You're a woman, show it up.
Okay, and what you don't like?
70s Scooby-Doo looking bell-bottom jeans there. You know,
But what if it's in style now? What if it come back in style? You've been unfair, you
but
know.
if you come back in style, I still don't like it. In my preference, I just don't like them type of
Okay.
jeans. And I don't like toes are not kept. Yeah, them things
So
are
hygiene is very important.
Hygiene is always important.
What is your favorite brand?
Give me an Ed Hardy t-shirt, I rock it. Give me an H&M shirt, I rock it. Give me a Levi's jeans, I rock it. Give me Aeropostale. Things that fit, things that comfy, things that, you know,
Yeah.
suit me.
So there you have it, guys. Nicholas D'Souza coming in the #1 position for the UE Top 10 Best Dress List for males. Dress list males on here on the UE campus. That looks like
Blue points. And that was going pretty okay, you know.
college, and now and now he's a student here on the UE campus. Can you all guess who it is? Oh god, lack of energy.
Go.
Can you all guess who he is, guys? Well,
That was cool, I know.
well, he's a dancer for one.
You start already. You start all that already before. Ready.
So it was nice having you, Nicholas, on the Dirty Berry show, and I know you really feel proud of this achievement or accomplishment.
I do.
Yeah, so just continue with your sogerific hot style on campus, okay? Alright.
Shake hand, shake hand.
Okay.
Shake and hug. Shake and hug, yes, that's how it goes for everybody. Yeah.
That looks stupid.
Yeah.